Hello guys, trust you are doing well. I'm very sorry that I could not make it up for the Saturday class due to some things, and that is why today I'll be sharing with you a free complimentary card, PSD, and a free mockup. On today's tutorial, I will quickly show you how to open a Photoshop file in Photoshop, and I will be showing you an example of what I'll be sharing with in the link below. So I'll be giving you a complimentary card today that I designed for free, and I'll also be I'll also be giving you a mockup, and I will explain to you the advantages or what mockup is being used for. Sometimes you see how somebody designed a pen, or maybe somebody designed a book cover and he put it in something for it to look shiny to send to the client. That is called a mockup. So I'll be giving you one of that today for free, and also giving you a free complimentary card design that all you have to do is just to type your information. If you want to send it to me to print, no problem. But if you have a place that you want to print it, you'll be free to go ahead. So let's head into the tutorial. Firstly, you have to open your Photoshop. All right. Immediately Photoshop opens. For you to be able to open this file, you need to go to there are two ways I usually do it, which the first way I do it is to come up here on file, then I click on open, and if I don't want to do that, I simply come here to open, and I search for where it is, and in this concept I kept it on desktop. So this is the complimentary card, the front part of it. As I said, the link is in the description below. And if also you have Photoshop that is there, please rush to my website and download it from there. There's a good version of Photoshop there. So this is a tutorial, the complimentary card that I'm sharing with you today for free. And with this, all you have to do is to rush and download it. It's for free. As I said, it's for free. It's just that you have to watch this video all through in order for you to get the passwords, and also you must subscribe to my YouTube for you to be able to have access to this file. So this is it. All you have to do is to come here on, you see where this T is. T stands for text. So you have to click on that T. When you click on that T, you come on where you want to type the name, and there you go. If you like, you don't use the font, it's not a must. I'll teach you about this in the next class. And just click OK, and you change it. Let me say I have a different number, and let me say my number now is 675456401. That is it. That is how you do it. It's just as simple as this. It's just as simple as this. If you edit like this, the next thing you have to do is to save. And to save this, you have to go to File. You come to Save As, or you just click on Save, and then you have to take Save As. Then from Save As, you have to go to Save to your computer. And where you see Formats, anywhere you see Format on your computer, you click on that place and you take JPEG. When you take JPEG, it means that it's going to save as a picture. So now you make sure you mark the name. You come to the location. My location here is desktop, and this is the name here. You click Save. I'm doing this because I have to show you also how to use a mockup file. So that is it. After this, you have to click on OK. Then while it's saving, let's go and open the other part of the complimentary card, which is the back part. And don't also forget that I sell templates on my website at just 250 francs. It's not up to $1, it's at $half. And with this, even from Nigeria, if you are from Nigeria, listen to my tutorial. From Ghana, USA, you can buy it from there using mobile money. You can buy it from there using your card. So this is the back part of the complimentary card. And to save it, I'll still do the same thing. I'll come to Save As, go to Save to your computer. Click on Photoshop, take JPEG, and that is it. Now the next thing we have to do now is to open the mockup file. So this is how to edit a mockup file, how to do it. How do you do it? Let me show you that. You have to click on File, click on Open, same way. Now after that, you have to click on the folder right this side is gonna show free download rounded this blah blah stuff. Then click on open. As you can see, provided by Weptech. So for you to do that, you see this placer front, back. All you have to do is to click on the front. There is gonna come something like this. This is not my work, so I have to remove it from here. Then you click on file, click on place link. Then you have to go down to desktop where you save it. Remember, this is the front part, so I have to click on the first one, which is 01 front card. Click on place. Sometimes it may delay to load. You just have to be perfect. And sorry. Okay, immediately it opens, you have to shape it. And the shape, you have to hold shift and control, shift and control. I repeat, shift and control. Then you drag it out. For it to scale. Immediately it's scale, you have to double click. After I double click, you click the Control S for it to save now. Then you go back and see the magic. We call this magic because it makes your work to look so mature. So that's why we call it magic. So you see, that is it. The next one now is a back. After front down, you see back. The same method. I have to look for the back part. Here is it. I click on paste. Immediately it opens, you have to like scale it as I told you, holding Control and Shift. And if you are doing this, you have any difficulties, don't forget to comment below so that I assist you. And to have this template, you see the link below. You just have to go on that link, you click on it. When you click on it, it's gonna take you to my website, and I'm displaying the password now, as you can see it on your screen. So when immediately you download it on my website, just scroll down to my website, you will see it, the link. When you download it, immediately you download it. The password is you copy, you uncrack it, then you start using it. Any difficulties that you will have, make sure that you get to me back. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. See you next time this Saturday. Thank you.